My name's Nic Kentish. I'm a senior advisor and consultant with RCS. I'm based in Adelaide Hills and I get to look after the clients that we have in South Australia, Western Australia and Victoria, Tasmania. Firstly, they bought their real estate, and their soil health in their real estate go hand in glove together. So they must understand that it's not just a commodity. Real estate's not just a commodity. It's something that's living and breathing, and it is the genesis of everything they do comes back to their soil health. So below ground is all about beautiful biology working down there, about really nice tilth of soil, about friable soils that you could just, hopefully one day just push your hand into. It holds water in the strata. There is nothing that you want to do less than have your real estate go down the river. So dirty water going down a river is real estate. That's what's in the water. It's your land, your soil. And why would you want to do that? So most people say, no, I don't want to do that. Yet if they looked at the runoff from their properties that is going down the river and ultimately out into the reef, it's the last place you want your soil to end up. You want it to stay in situ and grow more grass for you. That's the whole purpose of buying the real estate. So I want to then get them to accept that that's their purpose, and then how to do that is just add some knowledge that'll grow stuff under their feet.